Hello everyone friends, Hari Velar here. Today I'll show you how to cancel the free trial period of Super Duolingo. Here I'm getting it for free. As you can see, I click Start Week and try the plan. Now I'm pretending to buy it and clicking OK. So I've purchased it, and now to cancel, you need to go to the App Store, then Settings, Subscriptions, and cancel this subscription. Cancel the free period. That's all there is to it. This was Velar. Goodbye everyone.